Hello friend, check this Qualcomm Android box 4 plus 648 core and with a dedicated design. Here with the support 4G SD card and TF card with Type-C USB, and also here you support HDMI out, video out. And you can video out to the rear seat. It's easy to use it. Just plug with your head unit. If your head unit with CarPlay function, just plug it. They will connect your system directly. Here we'll see a new system inside your car head unit. You can see the complete Android system. Also, you can use CarLink to make the wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and also support Netflix, Play Store. You can download any apps you want. YouTube Play, you can like AirPlay. And if you want to go back to the car or into the system, you can go back car onto the system. Enter, just click a couple icon, it's okay. Jump for internet. Also, you can play music and play video directly. Like more detail, you can contact us by email or WhatsApp. Thank you.